Hi everyone, it's Katie from the Everhart Museum in Scranton, Pennsylvania. Today I'm going to show you how to do lesson 1 for 3rd through 6th grade for Nature Week. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is get your book, your worksheet, and if you need your extra lesson plan and a pencil. This video is just in case you aren't able to make it to our live class, or if you need a little extra reminder and want to watch this video and pause and rewind as much as you'd like. Be sure to email or upload pictures of your final project to Google Classroom, and you can share with the rest of our class what you were able to draw. For this lesson, you should have read or listened to the story with Miss Sarah and learned all about Dr. Twining's strange and unusual herbarium. For this being lesson number 1, Nature Week for 3rd through 6th is all about Dr. Twining's herbarium and finding and discovering plants and different specimens to donate to the museum here. Behind me you can see our visual storage, and it has tons of other things that our museum offers and has on display throughout the year. So for this lesson, I want you to think about what Dr. Twining might have gone through to find different specimens to collect. And all we're asking you to do today is to use the memory side of our worksheet first and draw a picture of what you think. Remember, it says side 1. You gotta do this one first to help yourselves out. Think about what a tree looks like and just draw it. Take a minute or two and just draw it. You just gotta have a pencil, that's all you need, and answer these questions. What helped you imagine the tree that you drew? So when you thought about it, and what was the most difficult part to draw your tree? Be sure to push pause because this next step we're going to do totally separate. So pause as you draw your tree while you think about your tree, and then come back to me. Next, on side number 2, be sure you're on side number 2 because it says observation. Dr. Twining didn't just collect these to just put in a box somewhere. He collected them to study them. And what a big part of that for Dr. Twining and other scientists for plants and other specimens is to really look at them. So what I want you to do is go get some parent guardian permission and go outside and sit in front of a tree. I'm going to stay here at the visual storage, but I want you to go and sit in front of a tree and look at it. Take a minute and just look at it. And on this side of your paper, once you just looked at the tree, you got close to it, maybe you went up and touched it if it's in your guys' yard, then find a good shady spot, comfy place, and sit and draw it. Because on this side, we want you to draw all the details that you're really seeing when you study that tree. Okay? When you're totally done with this, so go ahead and push pause if you want to, answer these other 2 questions. What did you notice when drawing it from observing it, from really looking at the tree? What did you notice that was different? And number 2, why do you think it's important for scientists to look closely at their discoveries? And if you're listening, I might have given you a hint already. So be sure when you're all finished with these, you can take pictures and upload them to our Google Classroom, but try to make it to those live classes if you can. Otherwise, we'll have more videos for the rest of the week. I look forward to seeing you soon.